Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Wu. In today's class, I will introduce how to use the 3DVista software to create your virtual reality. In this slide, first I will introduce the framework of the virtual tour. In the virtual tour, in the first, you have to create a scheme, including you can customize your loading screen. In the second part, you have import a panorama picture to create your virtual reality. In the class, you have to import two panorama pictures in your project. And the third part, you can create a floor plan. The floor plan, you have two choices. The first, you can use only one floor plan. And another choice, you can create multiple floor plans. In order to create a multiple floor plan, you have to first create a container. And in the container, you can create a floor plan viewer. Based on the floor plan viewer, you can create floor plan 1 and floor plan 2. Each floor plan, you can create multiple hotspot and radar functions for each floor plan. The fourth part is e-learning. You can create the e-learning functions by setting the score or create a quiz, and you can create several question cards in your quiz. Finally, when you prepare all the materials, you can publish your virtual tour project. You can publish as the web format or a single ESE, or maybe you can publish as a video for Facebook or YouTube. So first, you can see the website to download the 3DVista software. You can from this website to download the software. The 3DVista provides a trial version, so you can free to use this software in 30 days. Here are two demos of virtual reality. The first demo is live panorama of New York, and the other demos are virtual medical training. In this demo, you can see how to set up the e-learning for medical training. And in the first project, live panorama of New York, you can see how to use the panorama functions to create your virtual reality. This is another demo. You can use the e-learning function for training tour in the car manufacturer industry. In here, you can see the user can finish the quiz in the e-learning, and in the left top, the system will show the score or show the percentage of the finish. This is a demo for 3D CAD panoramas. So the panorama also supports the 3D CAD for the house or the house design. So here is the first activity in the class. In the activity, please browse the demos and projects in 3DVista's website, and each student, you have to write the most impressive project in these demos and projects and post in the Facebook group. And you have described the good and the advantage of the project and the special things you find in these projects. And you also need to provide the website or the URL to link the introduction demo. Finally, you have to describe you can use this for what kind of applications. Here is the second activity in the class. First, you have to download the trial version of 3DVista. And second part, please download a sample project. And the third step, each student have to finish a panorama project, include this function, include the hotspots and the e-learning function, and you have to customize the loading screen, include your name and the student ID. And you have to finish the function to switch different panorama. Finally, you have to create a floor plan. So here is the PPT to introduce how to use this software. First, please click the support, and the second part, please click the demo project, and the third, please download, and you can download this demo project. In the 3DVista software, you first please click the left button, Add Media button, to import the demo project that you download. And please click the Import Panorama to import the panorama files. And this PPT, please click the standard panorama. And when you click the standard panorama, please click the files and the photos that you want to include in your project. In this case, please select all photos into our project. So here I want to introduce how to use the hotspot in your virtual reality. So when you want to create a hotspot, please first click the panorama button, and then you will see these functions appear in the top screen, and you can click the hotspot, and please click this button to import the photos or pictures as the media for the hotspot. And this part, you can select your favorite icons to denoise the hotspot. For example, you can click the arrowed one as the icon to present your hotspot. When you choose your favorite icon, please click the select button. Okay, when you select your favorite icon, please move mouse left button and move this icon to the place you want to place the hotspot icon. That means the user can click this place to trigger the hotspot function. When you set up the place and the position of the hotspot, you have to click here to add the interactions to set up what interactive actions will trigger by click this hotspot. So here is the interactive functions you can trigger. For example, we want to click the hotspot to trigger a pop-up image. You can click the pop-up image. When you click the pop-up image, you have to select an image in the pop-up image. When you select your favorite image, please click the down button. This is another example. If you want to click the hotspot and that user can watch the video, you can click this button to trigger a video. This is the demo. When user click the hotspot, it will show a video that the user can watch the video. So here is the effect that you can see. Here is another type of hotspot. The hotspot can be set up a polygon shape. The polygon shape, you can design a very complicated shape for any kind of the shape. So you can select the polygon and you can change the object in the pictures into the hotspot object. For example, here is the demo. For example, you can use the polygon and you can set the shape to completely fit the button in the picture. So here is the effect that you successfully set up the polygon effect. The polygon shape is completely fit the shape of the button of the flower. You also can set up the color to denote, to present, to fill the polygon shape. So user can easily identify here is a polygon area in this place. Here is a more detailed settings. You can set up the line thickness and you can set up the opacity to adjust the opacity of the polygon area. So here is the final result of the polygon hotspot. So here is the user can see here is the transparent white color and the polygon shape hotspot in here. So user can easily find here is the polygon or the hotspot function in here. User can click mouse left to trigger the interactive functions that set up by ourselves. Okay, here is the today's lecture about how to create a virtual reality and how to create the hotspot. Thanks you're watching.